simple district man kept on capitalizing para kung hindi po niya naiintindihan sa simpleng usapan yung mutual agreement. We have mutual agreement. Gusto mo na yeah. So we have to pray for our congressmen, the most important sa mga senador po natin that we be united na sana magkaisa po tayo na lahat para sa bansa po natin Pilipinas. My dear friends in Christ, last 27, there was the concert at the cathedral wherein the process of which ay patayo ng palay pari, palay paste, yung ay pari. So I thank you to those who bought tickets and attended the concert at the cathedral. Thank you very much.